Hello, students. In this video, we are exploring the world of tenses in English. Let's learn together. Tense shows the time of an action or event with the help of verbs. It tells us whether something is happening in the past, present, or future. Now let's learn the types of tenses. Present tense. This tense talks about things happening right now or regularly. Divided into 4 categories. First is simple present tense. This tense is used for daily actions or facts. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. Then, present continuous tense. This tense describes an action happening at this very moment. For example, I am playing. Next is present perfect tense. This tense refers to actions connected to the present. For example, I have walked. Last we have present perfect continuous tense. This tense talks about actions that started in the past and are still ongoing. For example, I have been playing. Now past tense. This tense describes actions that have already happened. First is simple past tense. This tense is used for actions completed in the past. For example, I played. Then past continuous tense. This tense refers to actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. For example, I was playing. Next is past perfect tense. This tense describes actions that happened before another past action. For example, I had played. Last we have past perfect continuous tense. This tense talks about activities that were ongoing before another past event. For example, I had been playing. Now future tense. This tense tells us about actions that will happen. First is simple future tense. This tense describes actions that will happen later. For example, I will play. Then future continuous tense. This tense describes actions that will be in progress at a certain time in the future. For example, I will be playing. Next is future perfect tense. This tense tells us about actions that will be completed by a certain time in the future. For example, I will have played. Last we have future perfect continuous tense. This tense describes ongoing actions that will have occurred in the future. For example, I will have been studying for 2 hours. Now it's your turn to answer. Give one example of future perfect tense. Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 6 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.